Give your Nissan Rogue SUV a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed, custom-fit, ultra-flex neoprene seat covers. These custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design makes installation a breeze. Before you know it, your seat protecting cushions will be on and your car will look and feel like a brand new ride. The covers are waterproof, long-lasting, and durably constructed with thick foam padding, providing extra comfort to you and your passengers. Plus, the rear bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. Protect the interior and full value of your Nissan Rogue with the stylish yet practical benefits of your custom-fit Ultra Flex neoprene seat covers.